Okay, we are going to make the cheese quesadilla. Now you can add anything you want in there. Sometimes we add ham to the quesadillas. I'm going to show you whole wheat, and then these are the regular flour tortillas. So I'm going to do a quesadilla on the stove, and then I'm going to do a half a one in the microwave to show you how to do both ways. Okay, so for this one, this is the one I'm going to do in the pan on the stove. So I've heated up my pan. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on each side of the quesadilla. I'm going to put one in the pan. I already have the pan heated up. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some cheese in there. And again, if you want to put ham, sometimes we put ham in there. You could put chicken, you could put onions, broccoli, whatever kind of quesadilla you want. Put that in there. And then we're going to put the other side. And then we're just going to let this side brown. And then we will use our turner to flip it over after the bottom has browned. Okay, so I'll show you, I'll be back with that in a minute. Okay, so the bottom side is lightly toasted. So we're going to flip this quesadilla over and let the other side brown up. We're going to do the quesadilla in the microwave. All you're going to do, I'm just going to do a half of one. We're going to put cheese on half of the quesadilla. And we're going to fold it over and we're going to microwave for just about a minute. I'm going to put it on this plate here in the microwave. I'll put a little more cheese in there. And then again, if you want to add any ingredients, like ham or any other ingredients to your quesadilla, you can do that. I'm going to fold that over, pop it in the microwave for a minute. Okay, so I have my pizza cutter. I cut the flour tortilla. Now I'm going to cut the wheat tortilla. And we'll see what our taste testers think.